Hey guys, thanks for coming back to our channel, Rustic Glam Life, where we do unboxings, road trips, home improvement projects, craft projects, a little bit of everything. So today we have an unboxing, and I'm just gonna warn you right now, I got something going on with my throat, so if I sound really funny, that is what's going on. So today we're doing an unboxing of Silver and Gold. This is the second one of these boxes that we bought. We got our very first one last month. We buy these. We haven't, we wanted to try some new things out. And of course, jewelry is one of my favorite things in the entire world, besides my husband, of course. So this is the second one that we've gotten. The last one I was pretty excited about. So let's just open it up. I didn't want to open it before because I wanted to make sure you knew that I had not looked at this previously. There we go. I'm glad I did that because I couldn't remember. I think my last one, it was $10 off. If you go to silverandgold.com, you can find the $10 off your first box. That's what we did. So that one was $25. This one is $35. So I was excited last time. Everything is sterling silver. One of the things I didn't keep for myself, and I put it in our words, Jackie, our gift closet. So that was great, and otherwise everything I kept for myself. Bonus discount. Here's an extra special discount from all of us. Save 20% on any online order, which, by the way, you can do the subscription boxes and you can also order things online. So this is great. Let's see what we have. Thank you for supporting your small business. The last time it said that we were going to get a sizing gauge for rings, and here's that. I'll just open it really quick to show you in case you're not familiar with them. I have a ring sizer, and I happen to know all the sizes of my rings because I love rings. But here it is. You just kind of twist it, put it in there. It's like a zip tie, except it doesn't stay. And yeah, then you just try it on, put it to the size, and that's what it'll tell you. So boom, there, that's how that works. Okay, so here we go. This is how it comes packaged. All cute, right? Cute little box, which I love these boxes. I use them to store craft supplies all the time. It comes in 3 little bags, little velvet pouches, so cute. Refer a friend, get a free gift. Cool. Let's see what we got here. Earrings. I will, again, sorry, I will do some pictures and drop them down below in the video, after the video, so that you can see these items up close, because I just don't think you're gonna get real close. These are kind of like a little flower pattern. It looks like marcasite and probably, yep, sterling silver. They're kind of cute. I don't think you can see them from there. So I will, again, do some pictures, but those are cute. I don't know if, I probably won't wear those, so I'll save them for a gift. Love this, a pendant. I like how they package everything so carefully so it doesn't get all gross in shipping. So just because I read this stuff before, I can't see the stamping. There it is. This is sterling, and I'm gonna assume these are real amethysts. I'll have to go online and look, but looking at their stuff, just a cute little pendant. It's actually a bigger pendant. I'm not gonna put it on right now, so there you can see that. Cute, I like that. And they come with these little protectors. It's to keep your silver from tarnishing, so that's nice. So you can store it right in that bag, and you don't even have to keep it in the plastic bag. You could just take that little piece out of the plastic bag and put it in your velvet bag with you. or with you, with your jewelry. Otherwise, I put it right in my jewelry box and it keeps everything from tarnishing. So, oh, I like these. So these are gold. I'm sure they're not solid gold, but I will have to check. These are cute. Just a little classic knot. Just um, a post earring. These are nice. Just little. Actually, they're a good size. They're about the size of a large pea, if that helps. Again, I will drop the pictures and the link down below so you can see what it is. We don't get anything. We are not affiliated with these. We paid for this with our own money, so this is an honest review. I like everything. Even if I don't wear these, I'm definitely going to keep for myself. Not sure about these. I do like the pendant. I think this would be cute with a sundress or, well, with anything, but I would wear it with a sundress, or you could use a silver necklace, or you could use a cord. You could even use a ribbon to give a different look. That's really cool. I like changing things up because it'll look different no matter what you use. So that's great. And then the other earrings. So I think all in all, for a $35 subscription, we will continue this. We're trying to decide. Oh, hey. See, I've only done this one other month. The Marcasite and sterling silver stud earrings, suggested retail price $29. The silver filigree and floral gemstone pendant, $89.99. And the love knot stud earrings, $54.99. So total retail price of $174.97. And we paid $35. I will continue this box for sure for a few more times before I even think about whether I would discontinue, because I just think it's a really good price and I like what's in here. And hey, you know what? We are almost into July, and if you don't like your stuff, you just got half your Christmas shopping done for you, right? So that's my favorite thing. But we'll drop everything down below. If you're new to our channel, please come back and check our unboxings, our road trips, we do all different kinds of things, from crafts to home improvement projects. And of course, we started the unboxings. So hit like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, please let us know. Till then, thanks for coming. We'll see you later.